morning beta. Are you ready? Are you ready beta? Are you ready for the math class? Class 1 fine? Okay, fine. Then let's start now. And later on I will take your attendance, not now. So all of you please take out your math composite book. You all please take out your math composite book and open chapter number 17, time, and we have completed previous class, page number 135. Write the time shown by each of the following clocks. One has been done for you. That means what time shows the clock, you have to write that. Okay. So now we will start from next part, daily routine. Okay. Now we will start from the next part, daily routine. Okay. Chapter number I can't see the board. Please see the board. How much I can use this. Wait beta. Can't see. Okay. No. It's okay. Thank you. Yes, okay. Chapter number 17, and you all open page number 135. 135. Okay, thank you. Now we will start from daily routine. Daily routine. And we all know how to draw a clock and how to show the time. Now daily routine, I get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. One has been done for you. In the clock, what time shows in this clock? In this clock the time is 6 o'clock. Okay. I take my breakfast at dash in the dash. I take my breakfast 7. I take my breakfast 7 o'clock in the morning. So you all please start writing from the next. Only time I take my breakfast at dash. What time? At 7 o'clock. At 7 o'clock in the morning. In the morning. Okay, so you all will write over here in the 2 blank in this question. You all will write 7 o'clock in the first blank, and the next blank you will write in the morning, only morning. Okay. Turn over the next page. Please turn over the next page, all of you. 136. Page number 136. Okay. I go to school at dash in the dash. I go to school at 8 o'clock in the morning. Okay, very good. Kaustav and Aryan, very good beta. That I go to school. I go to school at 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock in the morning. 8 o'clock in the morning. morning. I hope You have completed. Okay, fine, fine. Very good, all of you. Next picture. It's break time in the school at dash. In the dash. 10 o'clock in the morning. Okay. Very good, all of you. It's break time. It's break time in school at dash at 10 o'clock in the morning. Done, everybody? Have you completed? Okay, very good. Can I rub the board? Can I rub the board, beta? I hope you all have completed. Yes, okay, fine. Now next, I come home back from school at dash in the dash. I come home back from school at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Yes, very good. I from school at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. AFTERNOON, afternoon. Okay, I come home back from school at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay, I have lunch at dash in the dash. I have lunch at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay. I have lunch at 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay. Next. Okay, next one. I do my homework at dash in the dash. I do my homework at 5 o'clock. At 5 o'clock in the 5 o'clock evening. Oh yes, 5 o'clock in the evening. I do my homework. I do my homework at 5 o'clock. At 5 o'clock in the evening. EVENING, evening. Okay. Next, I play at dash in the dash. I play at 6 o'clock in the evening. Okay. Can you see the board, this one now? Yes, you can. I play at 6 o'clock. I play at 6 o'clock in the evening, evening. 6 o'clock in the evening. I play at 6 o'clock in the evening. Can I rub the board, beta? Next, I watch TV at dash in the dash. I watch TV at 7 o'clock in the evening. Yes, okay, fine. I watch TV. Do you know the full form of TV? Can you tell me, beta? Full form of TV, please reply me quickly. Yes, very good, all of you, very good, beta. Aryan, Aditya Ganguly, Niladri, Saptarshi, Kaustubh, Anirban, Shanaya, Priyankshi, Mohiyan, very good, Sheikh, very good. Now, I watch television, means TV at 7 o'clock. At 7 o'clock in the evening. Next, I take my dinner at 8 o'clock in the I take my dinner at 8 o'clock. At 8 o'clock in the evening, not dinner at night. We take my dinner at night. I take my dinner at 8 o'clock. At 8 o'clock in the evening. 8 o'clock, it's saying that evening, but at night hoy, it's at night. In the night, here is mentioned in the, okay, in the evening. Here I take my dinner at 8 o'clock in the I go to bed. What is your name? Shivanita. Today is the first day, beta. Shivanita. Shivanita. Shivanita Chatterjee. Today is your first day, beta. Shivanita. Okay, and then continue. In the night, at night, it's generally at night, but here is mentioned in the dash. Dinner at night, in the it's mentioned, but at night, it should be at. Okay, but it is mentioned in your book, in the, it should be at night. I take my dinner at 8 o'clock in the night. Okay, in the night. Here I go to bed at, then I go to bed at 9 o'clock in the night. Okay, it should be at. Okay, at night, before night we should give at. Okay, but in our book in the mention it's here. Now you all please this chapter is completed of your math composite book, chapter number 13. Okay, today we will do some another work in our, let's see, okay, you all please take out your you have to write the time, and I will give some activity and you have to write the time at which you do at the following activities. Okay, you all please take out your notebook quickly. You all please take out your notebook. Write the time You all please take out your math notebook and follow me. Write the time at which you do the following activities. Okay, write down the heading first, all of you. Write the time at which you do the following activities. I will write the activity and which time you do that activity, you have to write that. Okay, number A. Get up. Get up. When you do this activity, get up, write the time. If you get up at 6 o'clock, you just write down 6 o'clock. If you get up 6:30, 7 o'clock, you can write that. I have no problem. But when you get up, you can write that time. It should be in morning. Okay? 6 o'clock. Next, number D. Brush teeth. Brush our teeth. When? Brush our teeth. Yes, yes, very good. Someone is written. Okay, fine, no problem at all. You can write 6:15 a.m. You can write. You cannot write, so you can write 6 o'clock, you can write 7 o'clock, no problem. 6:30, you can write in this way also. You 6:15 a.m. Yes, you can write, no problem. Okay, number C. Eat breakfast or eat breakfast. Nobody will leave the class. First I will take your attendance, then leave. Okay? Eat breakfast at 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock you can write. And number D. Take a bath. When you take your bath, you can write that time, no problem at all. 7:30, okay. If you take your breakfast 8 o'clock, you can write 8 o'clock. If you take your bath 7 o'clock, you can write 7 o'clock. If you take your bath at 12, you can write, no problem. When you take bath 11 o'clock, okay, fine, no problem at all. Okay. Take lunch. When you take your lunch, take lunch. Take lunch. 12 o'clock you can write, 1 o'clock you can write, 1 o'clock you can write, no problem. If you take your lunch 12 o'clock, you can write 12 o'clock, no problem. Okay. Okay. For today, this much. No more for today. Now I will take your attendance. Okay. Wait for that. Nobody will leave the class. Okay, beta. For today, this much. See you next class. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day. But don't bye. I will take your attendance.